Hi, welcome to PayBito Pro's marketing course. This course is designed specifically for crypto brokers and traders who aim to master digital marketing and expand their business in the competitive realm of cryptocurrency. With our expert-led modules, you can learn how to attract more clients, enhance your brand presence, and maximize conversions. We cover everything you need to scale your business from SEO and social media marketing to paid ads, content strategy, and blockchain-specific marketing. Why choose PayBito Pro's course? Gain practical, hands-on experience with real-world, actionable insights tailored for the crypto industry. With flexible learning options, you'll have the tools to stay ahead in this fast-paced market. Ready to take your marketing skills to the next level? Join now and start driving success with PayBito Pro's online marketing course.